Meaning of humorously.
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 Humorously. Humorously means in a way that is funny, amusing, or entertaining. It is often used to describe something that is intended to make people laugh or smile, or to lighten the mood of a situation. When a person acts humorously, they are trying to be witty, clever, or humorous. The result of humorously can vary depending on the situation and the context in which it is used. It can either create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere or can cause discomfort, embarrassment, or offend someone. Overall, humorously is a way to add fun and lightness to a situation through humor.